In this video you'll discover exactly how to find the cheapest car insurance for high-risk drivers. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service. At 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and provide you with the best quote for your location. Now, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for many of us: finding the cheapest car insurance for high-risk drivers. If you've got a bit of a lead foot or a less than perfect driving history, don't worry, we've got your back. Stick around to learn some fantastic tips and tricks that will help you save big bucks on your car insurance premiums. Segment 1: Understanding high-risk drivers. First things first, let's understand who high-risk drivers are. High-risk drivers are typically those with a history of accidents, traffic violations, or even newly licensed drivers. Insurance companies view them as, riskier to insure, which can lead to higher premiums. But fear not, there are ways to tackle this and get the best bang for your buck. Segment 2: Compare. Step 1 in your journey to finding affordable insurance is comparing quotes. There are several online platforms that make this super easy. Remember, not all insurers treat high-risk drivers the same way. By comparing quotes from multiple providers, you'll be able to find the best deal that suits your specific situation. Segment 3: Defensive driving courses. One smart move that can work wonders is taking a defensive driving course. These courses not only improve your skills behind the wheel but also show insurance companies that you're committed to becoming a safer driver. Many insurers offer discounts to those who complete these courses, which can lead to significant savings over time. Look for courses in your area or even consider an online option. Trust me, a little investment in education can go a long way in reducing your premiums. Segment 4: Bundle up for savings. Did you know that bundling your insurance policies can lead to substantial savings? If you have other types of insurance, like home or renter's insurance, consider getting them all from the same provider. Many insurers offer discounts for bundling, helping you keep more money in your pocket. So, gather up those policies and give your insurer a call to see what kind of discount they can offer when you bundle up. Segment 5: Opt for a higher deductible. Now, let's talk deductibles. A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in after an accident. Opting for a higher deductible can actually lower your monthly premiums. Just make sure you have that amount saved up in case you need it. It's all about finding that balance between a deductible you can comfortably afford and a monthly premium that fits your budget. Segment 6: Maintain a clean record. Last but not least, the most effective way to eventually shed that high-risk label is by maintaining a clean driving record. Avoid accidents and traffic violations, and you'll gradually see your insurance rates drop. Remember, time is your friend here. Each year you go without incidents, you're proving to insurers that you're becoming a safer driver, and they'll reward you with lower premiums. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, your guide to finding the cheapest car insurance for high-risk drivers. By comparing quotes, taking defensive driving courses, bundling policies, considering a higher deductible, and maintaining a clean record, you'll be well on your way to saving big on your car insurance premiums. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.